All right, so it's Sunday, kind of afternoon.
Yep. Almost the end of the weekend already.
Yeah, and we're just going to try to get a few little things done here. But one of the big things that we actually managed to get done with some help from my parents yesterday was to get the wood.
All in the shed.
Yep, so we are 100% stocked up on the woodshed. So the second load of 6 face cords came, and yeah, I don't know. We're sitting pretty good for that. So
yes, no longer need to be thrifty with the wood. The wood stove's been going all day. It's been wonderful.
Wow. Yeah, I guess it has been going all day.
Yeah, it has.
Anyway, so now it's time to see if we can get a few other smaller jobs. Well, one's a big job. As you can see, it's snowing out.
Yay!
It's not.
It's supposed the enthusiasm.
It's supposed to snow all afternoon, but it's actually supposed to warm up and
rain tonight.
Rain tonight, so it's not going to stay. But anyways, we got some jobs to do that we can get done. We're going to plant.
We're still planting.
Yeah, still planting. We've got two more apple trees that they're crab apples that we got to plant. Our Saskatoon bushes need to get planted before we can't dig anymore. And
we still haven't done the garlic.
Still haven't done the garlic, but the garlic's coming. We're going to probably go in tonight and break up all the bulbs and get that planted tomorrow, because the other thing that we have to do today is we have one more load of hay, wood, hay, whatever.
And straw for the garlic.
Yep, and some straw for the garlic, so we don't mind if that gets a bit...
That's what's on the truck getting snowed on.
Yeah, so which is fine if it gets wet, but the trailer is full of hay bales, so we're going to get that in as quickly as we can here. We got to go up first and do a little bit of sorting up in the barn. So, we're in the loft, sort of moving around.
You can hear the boats on the St. Lawrence, the big tankers.
Yeah, honking their horns at each other. But we're in the loft and just sorting or moving around a few bales. I'm passing them up to the top and Stephanie's putting them there. We've got a chicken helper.
We have a lot of things to navigate because we have chickens, apparently, that want to be in the loft. And Blue had her batch of kittens, which of course we're trying to work around so that they don't get boxed in and they can get out. Mm-hmm. And of course so we can still get in to see them and pet them. Mm-hmm. But trying to move a whole bunch in here and try and get another 60 bales up here before winter.
Yep, that's
it's
the plan.
It's a tight squeeze.
Well, we're more than 60
as much as we'd hoped.
We're more than 60 because we got, what did we get, 43?
43, and we got another load.
We're hoping to get another load of 60, so. And then we should be good.
That'll hopefully do us for the winter, because I'm getting really tired of moving hay.
Never-ending job. There's a cat. There's Blue. Everybody's in the loft today. It's actually not a bad spot to be.
It's really warm, actually. Well, not warm, but you're protected from the wind, and do the view outside showing it's snowing.
So there's the
what we're moving
and kind of reorganizing a bit. And then our mess near the garden, but there's the view from the loft at the moment. It's actually accumulating not bad, but anyways, we're going to keep going, get this job done, and then see if we can get those planting jobs sorted before it starts to freeze rain later.
It's the first real snow this year. Mm-hmm. What do you think about that, Christopher?
We're not ready, but that's all right. It always kind of works in the end. It works out in the end.
Yeah. It'll be gone tomorrow morning.
Oh yeah, this isn't going to stay.
It's supposed to change to rain tonight. So we'll enjoy how pretty it looks for now.
Well, we had the best of intentions to do a few little jobs, but we kind of decided as the snow keeps coming to just bring the animals in, do the chores up, and kind of be done for the day. So as you can see, it's turned into a bit of a winter wonderland out there, but all of which is supposed to melt and be gone by tomorrow morning. So in some ways it's a little bit stressful knowing that winter really is coming, but at the same time it's not really here yet, so we still have a bit of time. And you can see we got our straw bales all ready to go for our garlic planting, which hopefully we will do maybe tomorrow afternoon, late in the afternoon, but stay tuned for more on that if we get that far.